Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to FigJam, full guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the official FigJam website. On the homepage, locate the sign up or get started button. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on the continue or next button. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from FigJam. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the FigJam website. Now, create a strong password for your account. Once your password is set, complete any additional required fields. This may include your name, company, or preferred username. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Once your account is created, log in using your email and password. Now that you're logged in, explore the subscription options. Select the subscription plan that best suits your needs. You may have the option for a free trial or a paid subscription. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information, if applicable. Confirm your payment details to complete the subscription process. After confirming, you will receive a confirmation of your subscription. Explore the platform and start creating your first project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.